Hello! Today, we embark on an epic journey through the labyrinth of licensure, unwinding the secrets to becoming a licensed salesperson or rental listing referral agent in the enchanting state of Pennsylvania. Eligibility criteria. First and foremost, let's ensure you're equipped with the essentials. You must be at least 18, armed with the spirit of adventure, and a desire to dive into the dynamic realm of real estate. Now, imagine your education as the compass guiding your way. Picture completing 5 credits or 75 hours of basic real estate courses. You can achieve this feat through an approved Pennsylvania real estate education provider, or perhaps through a distant provider approved by another jurisdiction's licensing authority. Educational conquests. Alternatively, if you hold a bachelor's degree with a major in real estate or possess coursework equivalent to a real estate major, consider yourself on the express lane. Oh, and for those wielding a Juris Doctor degree from a law school, you're in the game too. Ready to prove your educational conquests? Gather your transcripts or completion certificates, showcasing the provider's approval number, your course's chronicles, and the triumphant date of completion. Certifications. Remember, these certificates are your treasure maps, valid for either 5 or 10 years, depending on your qualifications. Don't forget to make copies. You'll need them later in your quest. Once your arsenal is ready, dispatch the documents to PSI, the wise oracle in charge of examinations. Fax or email will do the trick, and keep those copies close. They're like potions for later licensure spells. Magical confirmation and scheduling. Behold, the magical confirmation notice arrives, providing the key to scheduling your examinations. The $49 examination fee is your golden ticket, covering both portions of the exam. And if the exam dragon proves too fierce, fear not. Retakes await at the same cost. Exam scheduling process. Choose your destiny online through PSI's enchanted registration website. The examination realm offers challenges fit for heroes: real estate broker, real estate salesperson, rental listing referral agent, and the mysterious builder/owner salesperson. Prepare like the hero you are. Success in the real estate realm requires diligence and wisdom. Master the examination to unlock the gates to a world of transactions, relationships, and market mastery. Contact the real estate sages. Have questions? Seek guidance from the wise sages at PSI Services LLC for examination matters. And for licensure enigma unraveling, consult the venerable Pennsylvania Real Estate Commission. As you set sail on your real estate journey, keep in mind that if you already hold a real estate passport from a friend of Pennsylvania, you might just breeze through without the examination hurdles. And as you tread the path to success, remember, it's not merely about transactions. It's about crafting a canvas of connections, mastering the rhythm of the market, and providing exceptional service. May luck and prosperity be your steadfast companions as you embark on the quest to become a certified real estate legend in the heart of Pennsylvania. Click to start your exciting journey, easyrealestatesclasses.com. Greetings, future real estate trailblazer.